Let me walk you through the four pillars of the way of the steward because I think once you see how they fit together, something will click for you. We'll start with a live course for each of the pillars, and then over time, we'll always relate everything we cover back to these four pillars because they make up the entirety of our lives with God. Pillar one, walking in the Spirit. Everything starts here. If we're not hearing from God, nothing else works right. In this pillar, we're going to train you in a daily devotional rhythm. Learn to hear God clearly, obey with confidence, and step into your calling. We'll use a powerful method to help you learn to format your questions to God, train yourself to wait on His answer, and test to confirm if it's really Him, so that you can grow in distinguishing between your own thoughts and His voice. This system will force you to slow down and wait on Him, so that you fully invite Him to show up. We'll also teach you how to follow up and follow through. We'll give you daily prompts to guide you. By the end, you won't just have a routine, you'll have a living, growing, conversational relationship with God that you carry with you everywhere. Pillar two, your family culture. Every family has a culture. Most of them just happen by default, shaped by screens, schedules, and the world around them. We help you take time to examine yours and then to design an improved family culture with God. You'll prayerfully develop your family vision, values, and mission statement. There are important things to keep in mind depending on what stage of life your family is in, and so we'll meet you where you're at. You'll shift your home toward what God's culture looks like so that His life and blessing flows through your family today and into future generations. Pillar three, kingdom legacy. This is where we zoom out and ask the big questions. Who is God calling your family to impact? Today, 10 or 20 years from now? What does multi-generational faithfulness actually look like? How do you leave something behind that goes beyond money, that leaves purpose, calling, and kingdom fire in your children and grandchildren and beyond? We help you develop a real plan. Pillar four, financial stewardship. The Your Fruitful Tree course is where your spiritual calling and your financial structures get aligned, maybe for the first time. Wall Street preaches one thing but does another. They get rich while most people suffer. We'll help you build a biblical storehouse, a financial foundation that God promises to bless in Scripture. This creates freedom, resilience, and liquidity so you can follow God wherever He leads. You'll learn how to steward your wealth in a way that honors God, protects your family, and funds your calling no matter what happens in the economy. These four pillars aren't separate tracks, they're one integrated life, and that's exactly what we're building together. Founding members get the Your Fruitful Tree financial course absolutely free. We normally charge close to $2,000 for people to go through this, but you're getting it just for being a part of the creation of this new community. We launch April 19th. Click the link to learn more.